on, boys and girls. Let's welcome our Victor onto the stage. Come on, put your hands together. Let's welcome our chief guest. Come on, children, put your hands together, everyone. I'd request everyone to
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Ramesh Babu, all the other dignitaries on the dais, all the master trainers, and wonderful dear children sitting here. Very good morning to all of you. It's always wonderful to see so many children sitting. First time, can you raise your hand? Yeah, there are quite a few. Okay, maybe about 40% who have taken part the first time. So the children who are taking part for the first time, I'm sure for the parents also it's the first time they're taking part in such a large event. So just I want to give you the reason why we do this competition, maybe a minute. But before that, I think all of you know about this program. I've seen that this program has, maybe originally when you put your children, you thought it was only for maths. And the grand module level, I'm sure the parents would have noticed the children have actually improved in a lot. Not just in maths, but you would see that impact in many other subjects. And I can say this with confidence, children, because we've been running this program now for 22 years. And there are many, many children who started off like you, and now they have grown up, gone to college, gone to work. So if you have got 30 in your last practice test, today how much is you going to get? 31, correct. If you got 77, what do you get? 78. And if you got 142, what should you try to get? That's it. Can you all do that? All of you? Yeah, and I'm sure all of you can be winners today.
turn your sheet around. The teachers will come and children, please.
Victor, and the Managing Director of SIP Academy, India and International. So today we have had an international competition. This is the 22nd year of SIP Academy in India. SIP Abacus is now running in about 11 countries other than India, 12 countries. Children have come from many countries here for this competition, also from all over India. So all over India, right from Assam, Punjab, and all over South India, West, East. So we have close to 5,700 children who have come. And it's a very unique competition where they are going to do close to 300 sums in just about 11 minutes. They get some sums in the first round with the abacus, then they have to do visually without using the abacus, and then do multiplication. And if you saw the competition, it's amazing. So many children are doing so many sums in such a short. But it's all because of training. So there's a systematic training program by which they get trained. And this program is, we have now running for 22 years. We have seen so many children do very well. Not only in the school, in maths, but also in other subjects. And even when they grow up, and even Sir was mentioning that one of his relations had gone through and now he's in IIT Chennai. He did that 12 years ago. So we see many such children who do very well in the young age, and when they grow up, they do something really very special in terms of their education itself. So that's really what this program is about.
It's gone.
Thank you. I am from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shah, Spaceport of India. I was invited for this program. Really, I was thrilled to see the all 6,000 students. And Abacus, I know about Abacus almost 12 years back in our native place, Andhra Pradesh, Mangalore. We have seen how the classes are going on. And it really develops not only the maths, the life skills, the confidence, the concentration. This is the one I have seen the real results. But today, when I came, when I see how the kids are doing, it's thrilled. I was thrilled really. I never imagined such a speed. The small kids, just 5 to 6 years kids, they are able to do the math. In 3 minutes, they are able to solve 120 problems. Even the multiplication, the subtraction, decimals. It's really unbelievable. Unless anybody sees, then only they can. It's truly, by seeing these kids, I really see the future of India. Definitely, they can reach to the best. And even the Indian space program will go to the further heights. That's what I really confident. I am really confident on that. And really, I thank my director who has nominated me to attend this program. And it is a real eye-opener. I really enjoyed. I feel that I really missed my kids miss this program. Really, because the children who are really talented and they are happy. I think once this goes into the minds of the children when they were in the tender ages, that 6 to 12 years, definitely it changes the life of the kids. And not only the kids, the nation's level will go up. And really, I should thank the parents who really took a lot of pains coming all over the world and different parts and different villages of this country, able to bring the kids to this and expose their kids. It's really, I really hats off the parents and the teachers who really think that this type of programs will make the kids more confident, and also they have a very good networking and the different cultures and the confidence levels develop. I thank the organizing committee for inviting for this. Nice. Thank you.